In order to be able to add coaching call, in order for people to be able to book a call with you through your calendar, you just need to go to my store, click on add products, and then click on coaching call. Upon doing that, you can either make it in a button format, a call out format, or a preview in a full option where it shows the calendar itself. So choose an image, the title, the subtitle, and what you want the button to say. Then go to checkout page, choose an image, the title, and then the description of what the call is going to be about, the details, and then the button. This button is going to reflect here on this right side here, work with me one-to-one. Then the final button after the payment is made, book a call with me. Now, if you want, let's say you want to set a free call, the call is going to be for free. For example, let's say it's a discovery call. You just need to come to price here and type 0, and it's going to be a free call. No payment is going to be requested from the customer. The upgrade here, as I've mentioned in previous video, it is just for upsell or for a bump in your order. Where you add another product, you need to go to a Creator Pro in order to be able to activate it, and then collect information. What are the information you want to collect from the customer? Name, email. Since it's going to be a call, it's best that you ask for additional information. So you click on add fields, and then you click on, let's say I need more information on the country, or I need more information on the name of the business. So you just need to write the title inside here. Let's say country, and then so it reflects on the right side here, as you can see it, country. And then if you need another more question, you can click on add field and add it. And then next we go to availability. This is where you set up your calendar. So the first is you configure your settings. So you can either configure it to integrate with Google Meet or Zoom meeting, or a custom location whereby you're the one that is going to set this, or the default manner. So if you want Zoom or Google, then you just click on Zoom. And then next thing you have to do is you have to connect your Zoom, and we'll do that in a minute. So click the time zone that you want. Remember, the time zone works based with you. So you click the time zone that you want, the duration of the amount of minutes that you think the call is going to last, and then you block out sometimes maximum attendance, how many people you want to attend, 1 or 2, based on that. So break in between, so from one time to another time, how much break do you want to have in between, and then book within the next 60 days. That is, if anyone comes to the calendar 60, they can book within 60 days, or you can just make it 6 days, which means when they come to the calendar, they can only book within the next 6 days. Anything after 6 days is not possible. It only updates every 666 days. And then here you can scroll all the way down and select available times. You set the time, and you can block out some days. If I want to block out Friday, I simply come here and I click on delete. Friday is blocked out. If I want Thursday from a particular time to a particular time, I simply set it. Remember, this time must be in line with the time zone that you set. So if you want to make it comfortable for yourself, set the time zone of the area you are in, and then work time whereby you can be able to go on calls. Or if for that, let's say in the future there are some holidays that are coming up, or you have an outing, you can block up future days in a particular day, click on it, and then block off a set of time on a particular day. Let's say on the 30th, it's New Year, I want to block 24 hours out of it, and then you can just block and save, and that's it. You can just go back and then click on publish, and you're good to go. Now the next option is the integration of the Zoom. Now to connect your Zoom, you need to go to settings and then go to integrations, and then you have your Zoom here. So what you just need to do is click on connect, and then you input your Zoom account, and you give it permission to connect your Zoom with Stan. And that is the way you connect your call bookings with Zoom. So which means if anyone books a call, by default they get a direct link to a Zoom call.